Hello everyone and welcome to another edition of Blisstech Solutions Tuesday's 2-minute tech tips. And today's tech tip is all about PowerPoint and how you can use templates and slide masters to jazz up your presentation and make it a lot quicker to create a fantastic looking presentation. So let's show you how. So here I've opened PowerPoint and I've gone to the new area because I want to create a new presentation. And so, the default thing we would normally do is create a blank presentation, which is completely bare and requires that you do all of the setup and design of that. However, there is a shortcut you can use, and that's to use the templates that are available. So in here we can see there's a load of templates. We've got different categories that we can select for different sorts of template. But we can actually type something that we're interested in. So the Blisstech solution sort of colours are blue, so I'm going to type in blue here, and it shows us all of the presentations that have a keyword of blue in them. So I can look through here and pick one that I like, and I think this one here is quite nice. I'm going to select it, and we can view different images from within the template. If we like it, just hit create. Okay, so it's created a blank new presentation with the following template, and it's given us some examples of the different things we can do within that template. Now I might want to modify this and add my logo to each one of the slides. So I could do that like this and resize it like that and pop it where I want it, but then I'd have to go through each one of the slides, and if I was to create a new slide here, I've got to add the logo to that slide. I also might want to change some of the fonts and stuff like that, and again I could do it on each individual slide, but it's going to take a while. A quicker way of doing this, or sort of giving a consistent design across your presentation, is to use the slide masters. So if I go to view and then slide master, this is the design that sits behind the actual presentation itself, and anything I change in here will affect the entire presentation. So if I put in the logo here, we can see it's being put onto every single one of our slide layouts, and there are various different types of slide layouts for different purposes. But I don't want it across everything because some might be slightly different in terms of the design. So for this one, I might choose that I put the logo up here. And then for some others, we'll have the logo in a different place. I can go through and just change all of my slide masters to put different things where I want them. I can change the font here in the normal way. Then we want to change a font. And then when I come out of the slide master by closing the slide master view, that particular slide layout that I created, that I changed within the slide master, has automatically had my changes applied. And if we were to create, change this particular one, so we can see our different layouts here. So I can select that, and it will add my logo, and it will also any other changes that I've made to fonts, to the colours, and everything else. So that's how you use slide masters and templates together, and it's a very good way of creating a good looking presentation with a little bit of tweaked design, but it's not going to take you hours and hours and hours to create. I hope you found the tip useful. I'll see you again soon.